what we got here? We got the original stuff. This is an original classic motorcycle. This is not like classic motorcycle, it's new for sure, but it's a classic motorcycle. Royal Enfield Classic 350. A motorcycle that by the one hand you love it, by the other hand you hate it. So let's speak about this motorcycle. Okay, what we got in this motorcycle, let's start from front. We got a fork, a typical classic style fork with a cover to look more like a classic. We got a nice tank with protections for your knees. We got a single stand, we got a double stand, we got a glove box here with a battery and the tools. We got a glove box here for the tools, for the papers, I'm sorry. You got a handle so you can take down the bike and take it, lift it up in the double stand like this. And I think, I'm not sure about it, so I apologize for that, this model is with one saddle only. So this is an extra saddle, official of course, factory part. Also we got those, and we got a nice and a lovely, beautiful motorcycle. Now I'm going on it. Believe me, what I am seeing, it's very beautiful and very classic. I see the clock with the basic things on it, those things that you have to get anyway. We got the key from the one side, and to do not look ugly, you got the logo of the Royal Enfield by the other side. All the buttons here in a classic style by the side, not up and down, so I start the bike from here, like this. Not like this, I press it. Okay, I have a very good view back, and I'm not protected of course from nothing, but it's nice what I'm seeing. All this fat tank and this clock, it's give me pleasure. It's nice. Now I have a big and fat footrest with a rubber. Oh, lovely. And let's see now with Georgia. Georgia,
I'm coming.
I'm in Georgia.
Haha.
Aha.
Ah, nice and thick.
Yes.
The seat is very nice. My legs are okay. I want some handles, but
You
I
have
don't
back.
get.
You have back.
It's really in the back. Okay.
I will tell you now something about the saddle. The saddle is really, it's good one, and with a lot of material on it, but the point is that after 2 or 3 breakings I'm rolling front, so I feel a little bit uncomfortable somewhere here, if you understand me what I say. So that's it.
Okay, generally I feel good. I have no protection, I have a good view back, the sound of the engine is soft and smooth, and the gearbox is amazing. It's lovely. We are moving, it's a heavy bike, you don't feel it so much then you ride it, and you change directions almost easy. Okay, the brakes now are okay, they can stop the bike, and the acceleration, the power of the engine is not existing. Okay, otherwise it's a lovely bike.
Engine, what we got? A single 4-stroke engine that it's so simple, air cool. It's produced 20 horses. It's okay. 27 Nm. Never saw them. Never. Must be somewhere and hidden from me. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe inside here. I don't know. But anyway, this is the official numbers. It's a nice engine. Of course, not as a performance. It's one of the most weak motorcycles that I ever ride. But it's a nice engine in the way that is functional. It's got no mechanical sounds, it's so smooth, and also the gearbox is not good, it's excellent. Excellent. Okay, okay. Top speed, not enough to going outside of the city. We are moving. Okay, now the brakes. The brakes is by Biber. We got front 2 piston caliber brake and we got back a single piston caliber brake. The brakes are good. The ABS is a little bit old. I mean, it's going a little bit faster, but the brakes are good. You feel safe and they can stop this bike, and probably you will say because it's a weak bike you don't need so good brakes, but this is wrong, because yes, it's a weak bike, but it's 195 kilos. It's a heavy bike, full metal made. So you have to stop it in a way. And with 195 kilos, you got a nice partner for the Cretan dancing. You hold it like the hand of the other dancer and you starting. Pa, 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 pa. Μετράμε στα 11, έτσι. So, that's about this motorcycle. This motorcycle is a premium motorcycle for India and low budget motorcycle for Europe. The point is that if we are speaking for the quality of this motorcycle, the things are completely different than we are speaking about the performance. This is a low budget motorcycle that you are taking premium quality of the bike. Everything on this bike is excellent made. Metal, metal, metal. Those are plastics. Quality everywhere. The saddles, everything. Whatever you see on the saddles. Here, if you see the electric wheels here are perfect. The paint is nice. The small details of Royal Enfield here, Royal Enfield here, the Royal Enfield logo here, the horn, even the horn is a quality horn. Even the mirrors, then you see, they give quite clear view, quality. Everything on this bike is made with a quality. Of course, there are some things that make wrong, like the footrests, that they are welded on the frame. And that means that if you will falling down with a footrest out, you will make a damage also to the frame. But generally, this is a high quality motorcycle and I like it. In the level of quality, you take much more things than the money that you pay for it. It's not a good made bike, it's a high quality motorcycle. Okay, what about it? If in time I will ask a motorcycle like this, I will beg my friends like this, please kill me, don't let me do it. This is so weak, this is so slow that the Greek mother for sure is going to be happy if her son going to have something so slow like this. But by the other hand, it's so beautiful motorcycle with delicate engine that it's got no mechanical sounds. We've got a lovely gearbox, and all these things that you see here is so beautiful. It's safe, even if the brakes are a little bit faster than the normal ABS. And for sure you can move easily from the place A to the place B. It's not good for outside of the city, for the national streets and the highways, because it's too slow to move in this level. So, for once more, if I will ask for a bike like this, please kill me. So, I will ask now Georgia for her opinion. Georgia.
Don't be so dramatic. Well, I liked the bike. It's not going very fast. Yes, okay, we can live with that.
No, the correct.
It's going slow. Okay.
Yes, that's it. It's not going very fast. It's going slow, or better, it's going very slow.
I liked the handling very much. I liked the look. It's incredible. It got the classic original look, but you don't have the weight of the classic. It's a light motorcycle for me.
What light? It's almost 200 kilos.
It's light. When you use it, it's light.
Yes, okay. That, in the place that you said now, it's okay.
And also I like very much all the soft parts. You know, this is soft. This is soft. It's
the gearbox, the levers.
Is soft. It's very, 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 very nice. Nothing. You feel very safe on this bike and very easy.
So, do you think that this is a good bike for a girl?
I think it is.
Do you think that it's a good bike for a teenager?
No, I don't think it is.
She will hate after motorcycles. She will going back to the bicycle. It's faster. So, time for philosophy?
Okay.
Η υποκουλτούρα της κλασικής μοτοσυκλέτας, η οποία διέπεται από ένα σύγχρονο γίγνεσθε μέσα από την ταυτότητα του ανθρώπου στο συμπαντικό είναι του και την περιστροφή επί του γυναικείου φύλου, αποτελεί τον γνώμονα για την σύναψη σχέσεων και την συνουσία μεταξύ των φύλων. Να δω τις τσούριασες.
Ναι.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Γεωργία.
This is Ιωάννης.
And Ιωάννης. For Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you. Έλα, άντε.
Έλα.
Καλά.
Έλα, εδώ. Real life reviews.
Real life reviews.